In front of me is CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this phone. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, make sure that you are in video mode, so if you are not, just switch it, and now click on settings icon. And then select this icon, which is for video quality, and just by tapping, you can change it. As you can see, with every click, it is changed. You've got 3 modes here, so it's like 480, 1080 and 720. So it's up to you in whichever mode you want to record. Just pick the one. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.